In this video, I'm going to show you a little look at hotel security. You ready? Let's go. Welcome, I'm Malachi Simmons Jr. and this is Hotel Soldier, with a mission to provide you all things hotel to your front lines. On this channel, I give you the 3 I's, which is information, instructions, and interviews. Information on all things in the hotel industry, instructions on various tasks in the hotel industry, and interviews with individuals associated with the hotel industry. Now, if you're new to Hotel Soldier and you want to see this video and other videos like this video, hit on the red subscribe button at the bottom, along with the notification bell for Hotel Soldier. Hotel security is creating a safe and secure environment for hotel guests, hotel staff, and any individuals with inside the hotel. Also, avoiding and preventing damage of any property with inside the hotel. With that being said, let's take a look at hotel security. Hotel security starts on the outside of the hotel, incorporating 2 parts, safe and secure. Hotel staff make sure the outside is safe for hotel guests, individuals coming onto the hotel property, and other hotel staff. Hotel staff make sure the outside is safe and make sure there's no debris or objects around that can injure or hurt hotel guests, individuals coming onto the hotel property, and other hotel staff. Now, once it's completed, you move from safe to secure. Now, some hotels have cameras mounted. Some hotels have booths with hotel staffs inside monitoring individuals coming on to the hotel property. Some hotels have security vehicles with hotel staff inside patrolling and monitoring individuals coming on to the hotel property. Now, once it's completed, you move from safe and secure from the outside of the hotel to safe and secure to the inside of the hotel. Now inside the interior of the actual hotel property. Now, the hotel staff must make sure that the interior of the hotel property is safe for any individuals walking inside the front door. Now, most of the time, a hotel will have cameras positioned throughout the hotel, like by the front door, by the front desk, or by the elevators or down the hallway, to record any activities that are going on throughout the day, just in case something may happen. At some hotel property, they may have an individual working security for the actual hotel. They may have an individual in plain clothes working security for the actual hotel. They may have an individual with the word security on the front or on the back working security for the actual hotel. They may have an individual in a suit and tie working security for the hotel. No matter what, if a hotel staff is watching a camera or individuals actually work security for the hotel, the number 1 priority is the hotel's registered guests. Also, the doors may lock at a certain specific time. That's to safeguard any registered guests who are inside of the hotel property. And you may have to use a room key to access getting into the actual hotel property, or you may have to hit a button and call somebody at the front desk to actually let you inside the hotel. Once again, to safeguard any guests staying inside the actual hotel property. Now, once the individual walks into the front door, walks up to the front desk, checks in, they become a registered guest. Now the hotel staff must make sure that if they have a guest laundry on the facility, that the guest laundry is safe for any registered guests. If they have a gym on the hotel property, that the gym is safe for any registered guests. If they have a pool on the hotel property, that the pool is safe for any registered guests. If they have a dining area with a restaurant or someplace to eat on that property, that is safe for any registered guests. If they have a spa, make sure the spa is safe for any registered guests. If they have a meeting room, they got to make sure the meeting room is safe for any registered guests. And last but not least, the guest room. They must make sure the guest room is safe and also secure for any of those registered guests. Now, inside the room, the hotel staff has to make sure the room is safe and secure for the new hotel registered guests. Now, one part of making sure that room is safe for the new hotel registered guests is to make sure the room is actually clean. To make sure no trash or items are left from the previous hotel guests that may injure the new hotel registered guests. Also, another part is to make sure that all the appliances are working inside that room for the new hotel registered guests. To make sure that the refrigerator is working properly, and the microwave is working properly, and the coffee maker is working properly, and the stove is working properly, and the hairdryer is working properly, and the TV is working properly. Because you don't want those items to malfunction and to catch on fire for that new hotel registered guest or anyone else coming inside that room. Also, you want to make sure the lighting is working properly. And the ventilation is working properly. And the smoke detector is working properly. And the fire alarm is working properly. And the water spray system is working properly. Staff is ensuring that all those items are working properly for that new hotel registered guest. Now, stepping from stuff being safe to now being secure, another part, or the first part of the room being secure for a new hotel registered guest is the door. The hotel room door. Now, the hotel staff has to make sure that the hotel room door is working properly. Now, this is make sure that the latch or the deadbolt or the safety chain is working properly. Now, this particular door has a door latch. And you see that once it's applied, it prevents the door to actually coming open. Also, this particular door has a privacy lock. Now, once the privacy lock is applied, even a person with a room key will not be able to open the door. Now, the door will only be opened by hotel security or hotel management, and it actually needs a special device to actually open the room door. This is to make sure that the guest knows that they are safe and secure, and the guest feels like they're safe and secure inside the hotel room. Now, there is one more component of the hotel room being secure. Now, the last part of the hotel room being secure is the actual hotel room key. Now, the hotel room key is synced to a hotel registered guest reservation. Now, in the military, our ID card gave us access to certain areas. It was a sensitive item. Now, the hotel room key of a hotel registered guest is also a sensitive item because it gives them access to areas throughout the hotel. Now, late at night, when the front door locks automatically by itself, that hotel room key will give access to that hotel registered guest to the building so you can enter back inside. That hotel room key will also give access to the guest laundry. That hotel room key will also give access to the gym. The hotel room key will also give access to the pool. And naturally, the hotel room key will give access to the room. So, if a guest loses their room key and they go to the front desk, ask for a duplicate or a copy of the key, the front desk will give them a copy or duplicate, and the original key will continue to work. But if the hotel guest goes to the front desk, asks for a new key, the hotel front desk will give a new key and the original key will stop working. So, a good practice if you lose a room key as a guest is to get a new room key so the original key will stop working. It'll keep a hotel guest safe and secure. Hotel security focuses on creating a safe and secure environment. Make sure to click the like button and leave a comment. And if you want to see this video and other videos like this video, click on the red subscribe button along with the notification bell for Hotel Soldier, with a mission to value all things hotel to your front lines.